Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 11 of the best bee balm companion plants. Monarda, also known as bee balm, has a number of good companion plants that can help it grow and flourish. Today, we'll be taking a look at the most popular ones. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. So let's get started. Our first bee balm companion plant is the Echinacea or Coneflower. Echinacea, with its robust nature and daisy-like flowers, not only adds visual appeal but also serves as a magnet for butterflies and bees, much like bee balm. These plants share a symbiotic relationship where each attracts pollinators that benefit the other, enhancing cross-pollination and increasing biodiversity in your garden. Echinacea's deep taproots bring up nutrients from the soil, potentially benefiting shallower-rooted bee balm. The plant's height and structure provide a contrasting backdrop to bee balm, offering a layered effect in garden design. Additionally, Echinacea's resilience to pests and diseases can help create a healthier environment for both plants. Our second bee balm companion plant is the black-eyed Susan or Rudbeckia. The vivid yellow petals and dark center of black-eyed Susan create a striking contrast with bee balm, offering a feast for the eyes and attracting a diverse range of pollinating insects. This plant's ability to thrive in similar conditions as bee balm makes them garden companions that share resources without detriment. Rudbeckia's prolific blooming nature ensures a consistent supply of flowers for pollinators when paired with the staggered blooming of bee balm. The plant also serves as a living mulch, shading the soil and helping to retain moisture, which can be beneficial for bee balm. Furthermore, black-eyed Susan can act as a natural support, helping to prop up bee balm stems as they grow. Our third bee balm companion plant is the Yarrow. Yarrow's fern-like foliage and flat-topped flowers create a textural contrast with bee balm, enhancing the garden's aesthetic diversity. Its ability to attract a variety of beneficial insects, like ladybugs and predatory wasps, helps to maintain a balanced ecosystem, potentially reducing the need for chemical pest control. Yarrow is known for its soil-enhancing properties as it can accumulate nutrients, which then become available to neighboring plants like bee balm when yarrow decomposes. The plant's drought tolerance can help to modulate soil moisture levels, providing a beneficial growing environment for bee balm. Additionally, yarrow's extensive root system can help to break up compact soil, improving aeration and water infiltration for the benefit of bee balm. Our fourth bee balm companion plant is the lavender. Lavender's iconic scent and purple blossoms complement Monarda's appearance and attract a wide array of pollinators, enhancing the garden's ecological diversity. The plant's essential oils are known to repel certain insects, offering a natural form of protection for Monarda. Lavender's preference for well-drained soil can help to prevent waterlogging, creating a healthier root environment for Monarda. Its robust nature and ability to thrive in similar conditions as Monarda make lavender an ideal garden companion, reducing competition for resources. Moreover, lavender's long flowering season provides a continuous supply of flowers, ensuring that pollinators remain in the garden throughout the growing season. Our fifth bee balm companion plant is the Salvia or sage. Salvia's vertical flower spikes add architectural interest to the garden, complementing the shape and structure of bee balm flowers. The plant is known for its ability to attract hummingbirds, which can benefit the pollination of nearby bee balm plants. Salvia's aromatic leaves can act as a pest deterrent, offering protection to bee balm. The plant's preference for well-drained soil aligns with bee balm's needs, reducing competition for water. Additionally, salvia's varied bloom times can help to ensure that there are always flowers available for pollinators in the garden. Salvia species are also known for their resilience to many common garden pests, which can help create a more balanced and healthy garden ecosystem around bee balm. Our sixth bee balm companion plant is the Goldenrod. Goldenrod's bright yellow flowers create a stunning visual contrast with bee balm, and its ability to flower in late summer to fall extends the garden's attractiveness to pollinators beyond the bee balm's flowering period. This plant is known for its attractiveness to a variety of insects, including bees, butterflies, and beetles, which can help ensure effective pollination and increased biodiversity in the garden. Goldenrod is also known for its hardiness and ability to thrive in a range of conditions, making it a low-maintenance companion for bee balm. Its deep root system can help stabilize the soil and improve its structure, which can benefit nearby plants like Monarda. Additionally, goldenrod has been noted for its potential alleelopathic properties, which can suppress the growth of certain weeds, thereby reducing competition for resources. Our seventh bee balm companion plant is the flax. Flax's prolonged blooming season and variety of colors complement bee balm well, creating a continuous and harmonious display in the garden. Its flowers are highly attractive to pollinators, particularly butterflies and bees, enhancing the pollinator-friendly environment created with bee balm. Flax also emits a gentle fragrance, which can add another layer of sensory experience to the garden and may help in deterring certain pests. The plant's growth habit, forming clumps, provides ground cover and can help maintain soil moisture and temperature, benefiting neighboring bee balm plants. Additionally, flax's ability to bloom in various light conditions makes it a versatile companion for bee balm in different garden settings. Our eighth bee balm companion plant is the foxglove. The tall, striking spikes of foxglove flowers provide a vertical dimension to the garden, complementing the mid-height of bee balm and creating a layered look. Foxglove is particularly known for attracting bees, especially bumblebees, due to its bell-shaped flowers, which can help enhance pollination in the garden. The plant's toxicity is a natural deterrent to certain pests and herbivores, providing indirect protection to nearby plants. However, gardeners should handle foxglove with care due to its poisonous attributes. Foxglove's ability to thrive in partial shade can offer flexibility in garden design, allowing bee balm to be planted in sunnier spots while still maintaining close proximity. Our ninth bee balm companion plant is the aster. Asters bloom in late summer to fall, offering a valuable nectar source for pollinators at a time when other plants may be declining, thereby extending the blooming season in a bee balm companion garden. Their daisy-like flowers in various colors can create a visually appealing contrast or complement to bee balm, depending on the chosen varieties. Asters are also beneficial for attracting a wide range of bees, butterflies, and birds, which can contribute to a more dynamic and healthy garden ecosystem. The plant's hardness and ease of growth make it a reliable companion for bee balm, requiring minimal additional care. Furthermore, asters can help support biodiversity, not only through attracting pollinators, but also by providing habitat for beneficial insects and wildlife. Our 10th bee balm companion plant is the Shasta Daisy. The classic white petals and yellow centers of the Shasta Daisy provide a crisp, clean contrast to the more intense colors of bee balm, enhancing the garden's visual appeal. Shasta daisies attract a variety of bees and butterflies, which can benefit the surrounding plants. The daisy's robust nature and ease of care make them suitable companions for bee balm, as they do not require excessive attention or resources. Their clumping growth habit can help define garden spaces and provide a backdrop or anchor for bee balm plantings. Additionally, Shasta daisies have a relatively long blooming period, which ensures that the garden remains vibrant and active with pollinators throughout the growing season. Our 11th bee balm companion plant is the Coreopsis. Coreopsis, with its bright, cheerful flowers, offers a continuous bloom throughout the summer, providing a steady source of nectar for pollinators and ensuring that the garden remains a haven for them alongside bee balm. The plant's resilience and low-maintenance needs make it an easy partner for bee balm, allowing gardeners to focus on the overall health and aesthetics of the garden rather than intensive care routines. Coreopsis's ability to thrive in a variety of soil types and conditions aligns well with bee balm's adaptability, ensuring that both can coexist without competing for resources. The vibrant colors of Coreopsis can draw attention to the garden, enhancing the visual impact of the bee balm. Lastly, Coreopsis's fine textured leaves provide a textural contrast to the broader leaves of bee balm, adding depth and interest to the garden's design. Now, while there are plants that are best grown with bee balm, there are also plants that you definitely must avoid. Black walnut trees. Black walnut trees release juglone, a toxic chemical that inhibits the growth of many plants, including bee balm. Their extensive roots also compete for water and nutrients, making it difficult for bee balm to thrive. Fennel. Fennel releases compounds that inhibit the growth of nearby plants and attracts pests that can harm bee balm. Its tall growth can overshadow bee balm, limiting access to sunlight. Cabbage and related brassicas. Brassicas attract pests and have high nutrient demands, which can deplete resources needed by bee balm. They can also create shaded conditions and harbor diseases that affect bee balm. Mint. Mint's aggressive growth can overtake bee balm, competing for space, light, water, and nutrients. It can also attract pests and potentially cross-pollinate with bee balm, affecting plant integrity. Roses. Roses share common diseases with bee balm and attract pests that can spread to bee balm. Their extensive root systems and water needs can lead to competition and excessive watering, which bee balm doesn't tolerate well. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best bee balm companion plants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!